register. And now, engine to no, main is one is waste of resources. 2 is waste after 2020. 3, incumbent government want to abuse the system. You provided opportunity of don't know. Question: would you do and now would you do? Yes or no? You interviewed 27,500 Ghanaians from all the 16 regions, from all the 275 constituencies in Ghana.
For Mamunina Jum Aquaba Demba Drum 106.3 FM so and the Ukuna watching no and Apemuno. Yasasia Drada Bnada Ukwada and they na watching no Pemuntia Jumaya ye no. Yagusua was here watching any fiala nature say the Akugu. Etina watching no Apemu said ye. I've more day on the was here the trust near ye. And na manyo kokromoti power. Afi abatwa ye beto afim pinunia duono. Ewu tumi ya Ghana forward de betwa ba no tumi no ne egusu a chesa ye kire Ghana for ye kire ye ne ye to aba ye kire ye ne ekita sa tumi ne se nyame ya dom na se December bosome no abusuane da ye to so nso etowo a wo ye champion ewo mayimu se 7 December na etowo a wo ye champion kokromoti pa wa kita kokromoti enu na tumi wo ya wo betumi dia decide se we yi ameto aba man no me pese wo toa so anase boya me toa ba no man no me mpese wo betoa so me pese bi yi no saa bre no na abehu se wo tumi se electric ya wo mayimu se voter ya wo toa ba wo mayimu 7 December bushia na ye mpese kokromoti no a ye tumi ni kita ye de kotoa ba no ebedu ho no ne yakoto atwene ebedu ho ne yakoto atwene na wo bisa bo bi reason benti na wudi kokromoti no tumi na kita wo no wodi akoto sabe na nipa na ka cho so media esa amanyoko emabusuafo nkwa ne wom eti na mekoto aba wo ho no esa na che se kokromoti ni tumi na wo mu no wa exercise ni yie sa wo your mamba pa na wo dwene o man ne ho wo pese o man ni yie di o man ni mpuntuo kwaso a abusua enu na wo behu se mikitatumi me de ye adwuma me de to aba na abatoɔ no so ameto no ebo se metoma political party a na semu a waka na to asmu they say o man no ayetimu no just political parties ni se mienu no se be ye two political state o two political party state o se say o ne wo mu ni se ya so mu nyina hwe NDC amanyoko no Ghana for huni obeyeye and NPP for so babose ya bocheye ene wote so Ghana for huni woye wo mo so chese ne etoso mienu NPP for bani mampani da dwone jekum kofo na breso eno akogu enna na do so die yaba enna ukwa NDC amanyoko no a wo mo kura de John Rollins yaba wo benfo John Van Satamel saba John Dramani Mahama aba enti chese two political parties ni nyira busuan ya so ware eti ese no ase ya so ansuo ya so ansa ti se Ghana for kwato aba mesi afidie kokromoti no tumi no ewomu no woni babi e wosa wode ko sa wode mpanimfo ewa adwuma ye obeyeye wode wasem okan ye wo bohye ye abohye ye ena sa wosi wudi so na wagina so ato aba no a e wosa wuhu we wosa onya bibi gina so na watumi ato aba no enti bra no omayimu ye kase na ho ofenti na ho ofenti besan se mi free henti etwam ebetwam so enti abusia enne yesi adwa wo bani ni sujumedie so no sa fe na ade wafidi ato ha eye bani ni sujumedie adom 106.3 FM so ene demu a wutie ye hwe ye live wo Facebook asempa Facebook Adom 106.3 FM so nenya sempa na Yiadom 106.3 FM oko live Facebook Yiadom they say YouTube no so Yiadom den and no so Yiadom 106.3 FM oko anu subscribe Twitter so Yiadom Adom 106.3 FM no Instagram and bebia social media handles na de ye wom bebia etu de say Instagram na wo say ye Twitter na wo say ye Facebook or say ye YouTube ni nyina Adom 106.3 FM Yiadom live wo ho no mo wo betumi atie yen na bo hwe ye so live wo Facebook na bo adwen kire na odi bi ato ho ebre sem ne yesiniko so e de ama ho medin e de akua Boakyewaa Yiadom abusua frami ABY mejo so na ne yen topic a ye hwe no makacho se kokuromoti power no ne yekitam wo kokuromoti power no yekitam Adom unim say ye hyase abato bremu a tumi no kokuromoti ni akire enti na electoral commission say new voters register beba say emma no ye de achisa ye hwe ne yekoso ewo mu na enei de abusue ye bekọ electoral commission na omanya yetimu no na no juada mekane ha say ni Ghana fo gina so no woto aba wo mayi mu no woni aboye nhwehwemu be ka kire wo be hu so esa a party bia beba betra so wadwuma ya aboye no ene yesem puntudwuma abudi begu we kam ho nanso ade baako ya sese Ghana fo ani abre ya Ghana fo gina so ya woto aba ene politicians ni so kitam si ya de be campaign Ghana fo so age kata hye proye eti abanya wo beba wo de niema begu akwan mu anani oye campaign obeka ena meba meye ni sei meba special prosecutor beba ena meba kata hye proye mema ban mu ebi mpie mu Ghana fosia ye wo sika yeti sika so komo de ye eti se sika ne hye baabi na aban ne ba ne obeyi ama ye de a ene ye beto ama aban ne tumi aba enne ye abusue MPP aban yi ba semu a woka ye Ghana ajadwo ye ni petwa ye bo magi mu small scale miners ye bo magi mu mampani na nado asemu a woka de tuudwa se chese kwanya ye fa sutu nsase mu sade ye mfa mra kwa so sabre ni ebo mu a wonam mra kwa so tuo ni ebo mu a omunam mra kwa so ya bo tu nsase mu sade ebo mayi mu a ni e fra wo small scale miners no mu wo ho ene ye wo galamsefo no so wo ho no mo nanso sebeyo ni chese ye betumi aso ade na no ni ehu galamsefo yi wo firim ti mampani se wo bi enyan nsase mu sade etuo wo bi enyan na ye nsuo na ahono no ka chese se ye ka bo habo a sansase mu sade etuo na mra kwa so abusu ye de bre ye ne a kokekos na kwa doctor say ye wo ho no mo the last time wasem o de betudwa enya agba huduo bi abodwene ho abonti ase enya agba huduo bi otim say yade ebo edie enya yade a se bi abobi ni obi akoda ne wonya enya yade e beka sekata ne obi di asawo yade a eniema kese ni yade hohoro sa gold ni niema yi cyanide ni niema yade gu nsuo mu ohawo ade bre nipa enti yenhwe na se ye betu nsase chese yentumi nkase gold no yentu ye kase yentu a enye ye nemom yemfa mra kwa so ni yentu ana mampani se dabi munya ni enye nhyehyeye enhyehyeye nsantwerefo enye chese entensi se beba se aban bi aba wose de bota yesimani so na nsantwerefo nyina di akire. Let's stop galamsey now. Ne ye twete ne ye bi to ani ye ja bi agua. Ye nyina ye pese ye tu ase. Enti sa wokon no. Enhyehyeye aban yi ye somebody tu ase. Eni nnei ne ye tie. Eni nnei ne ye tie. John Peter mewu sa abre no ono wo ye soafo an wo odman kwa bobra atwi emu ahia so. Ye hu ne ye kọ so. Kwanya pani fa so. Ye adwuma no ye tiwe ye kọ ha ye ba ha. Edu ba bi a na chese wo de abubom no atutu no bum no wo de ato. Anu woni munyanfo kwam na frempon boatin be so mu yesi ya teta so ya abonye dwuma asemi asagro na wa imagine se wobi nipa dasani enyankopon wabonwo na wose makwa akwaje bosia medi akwa akoto excavator medi be yadwuma na wo ye no obi anka se nye liga liga enye liga eye illegal dwuma na omode ye enu nti ne yesi bo onum nyai na mekaipa wa bra mpanimfo yesa anhyehyɛ yabusuafo afidie ya so ne ne mpanimfo a wadata so ya no bi kasa yem wodi tu dwa se Sen ye beye ni ebetumi atu galamsey na senti no DCs ni MCs e assemblies awurum no wo a wanhwe se yetu galamsey wo ho no wantumi anhwe amma ase antu a ye beyi wadi empanimfo kesi so dua se ye beyi wadi enti nei excavators ese ayire o ensuo no asa hye ase no so hono no enti MCs ni DCs ni wede hye wo mo nsa se monhwe na baby a wuni pakro tibia galamsey ni yentu ase wo mo da so tete so ye ka se ye beyi wadi no ye yi wadi ana se wo mo da so tete wono mo ena excavators no so chese nyanwanwa enyanwanwa se ye beka se ya gege afira manfo nsema no pei na mitie be ma baako wo pia mensa na wutie papa chese wo kasa yie mu ya gene excavator ene aton ya nyiso se ya nka njiro bia se ya ju excavate ye season akwa akoton a neche se aye party nsem ho wo mayimu enti nsentwerefo e wo Ghana ye geto ye ho so se ye beboa ama galamsey ni yetu ase Ghana fo dodo no a wo bia so ye na dwen so obeboa bie no ekosi sen ankosi aga empanimfo nya nsentwerefo nketo wo bia wotumi the airtime now they ato ho wo si o galamsey hu nkomo nko ana na mepese yedie enetie nsem ampanimfo ka ya hono no toroka emfidi a yese yato ye drones a yede be ye adwuma sese babi obi tools asimu sade ni bi nyina ye behu wo fesi ayaye yesi o ya san community yese ye kire nipa na wo no kwan ye obefa so tools asimu sade atuo ni nyina nkosi aga abusua se wotie ni ebai na anu sei pictures a eba reports a eba nsuo no asanye hono ensuo no asanye hono na nke yesi ye training nipa no no nkotu anka ede na nsuo no san hono nipa no anna yesi wo mo nsanko mo nkoye madwuma no yeso mo kɔ no omo de modern techniques na ekoye adwuma no enti nsuo na ye den na da so hono ana sa excavators na busua fa ye hin na wose ye de ko we kwa nyi do ho wa no aka se hesmas ro efisa wo hwa asem no ba bi aduru na wotie nipa ni bia yampe a woto eni tape ye ne nam mframa mu videos ye ne nam ho no mo a wotim se we no wonhia se ye kwa yenhwehwemu ye kote committee bia confession no an da bonten na wo ho no mo na me ne me ya ne nsentwerefo aye de ehugi mu ensentwerefo aye se ye bebuo airtime ya no dem wo bre sabre ndisifo empanimfo a na ewo mu wotena na wo ka bi omusi an mampani dada John Dramani ma bre so wo mo de task force ni bi baaye nsentwerefo ma amwa mampani dada wo benfo join versatame senso e ba mo amfi enne de mo ta akire ye ta akire na ekosise hwamodie enti yeguso hwesa nhwehwemu no ampanimfo ahyase se bo ye na kwawusi ye ampanimfo so wo boa manhwemu akoso no ye nyina ye de ani de akire hwese ebekwa akosi sen eno ne ade abusu ye hwese bedadie asem na tietia obi apese no kuredie ena dadie eti ye de ani de akire ensentwerefo a ye di akire nyina no yeso ye besen de akire ni ahwe ne yekoso abusua wei eye galamsey nsem no kyese ensem a epie wom ne ye bedi akire so asi ase ye bedi akire si apa ne ahwe na ne de yenko electoral commission akache if say electoral commission hwe abusua so hwe demonstration a interparty for no ye eni ne electoral commission penning for no so unya bon na ne wotena se o mo nsem o mo ka jese nsem ni bi wo hono mo a jama o mu wie na o mu gitumu o mu wie na electoral commission ya take the final decision say ye be ye new register no a entwaye if say me electoral commission penning for no enkoma me ni o madi ne ne mate no sa facial recognition no a yesi ye de bam ye betumi de wani ekosua na ka mo no enye wani kosua nko yesi nkwada no a register no nkwada nketoa no a obi wo no mo a woni 18 no akono sa afidie no kura betumi ahwe onu 18 e betumi ayi wafrim na ho na tinye ni so bi beba evisa be Ghana ni akoka che ne sa afidie no esi wo ne se wo akwada yi wo the age between 15 ekosi 17 we su wo say no no su kita ne birth certificate no ase o da bi me so medi be 19 e be yire ensam wom no abusua doso ne e be pie mu maako aba no enya sam ketwa eti ye di akire e wo so ye hwe ne ye koso nyina if send party for no demonstration no ye wie na ya tese asante mantem so mo de nkrata ekọ etu omukọ ye no e wo so de na apio abusua we ene nsem a ye de chopno so na de omayi suapon legon mu ene ye ekọ University of Ghana Legon emperimfo se wa ye nhwehwemu no a wo ye no Ghana fo dodo no ase new register no electoral commission emperimfo nye ene ye Dr. Isaac Owusu-Mensah betwetwe nkomoni ahwe kwanye omofa so yes a research no if NDC for nami demonstration abone the other political parties ye no omoba na omabeka say eni papa ye nya ye edom wedi ye kire eti ye hwe kwanye a Dr. omofa so yes a nhwehwem no questions ben asembisa ben and will be sa Ghana for wo mo so omo je penie ye nti won conclusion ne say Ghana for dodo no ase new voters register no yenye wajitum se yenye ene mpanimfo no be kire yemu ne ahwe se we kura na ya de betumi aboa ama chinyegye bebrebe demonstration ne ekoso nyina no eto atwa ana se ya ye de abetumu a ya wie ya de tum sa abusua yensam an na ye de etopono so eni ye ne interparty for no mpanimfo ewom bi ebetwetwe nkomo na afa ye wie a ye ne Dr. Isaac Owusu-Mensah asi adwa ewo fia nti wo de ne se ba fidie ne na ha wo hwe wo che wo hwe ye babi a wo hwe ye free say Facebook live adom 106.3 FM betumi ahwe wono mo na wadwenche no so wo de bi ato aseda alomo at 20 alomo bitters no wo betumi anum bi chesensa pana me kamfo ama no agbeve heba center eta yechi ene ye kan heba center hospital awudu ho a wankasa ho bedwuru agbeve mpanimfo ye wode aba no Franco Trading Enterprise abusia de bresem meba be chew Franco TV no ne enti ya wosa woto mede ni nyina ebeba amwatumi ahune ekoso producers here Tamachi listo wo kwadwofo jo abednago asante asiedu kwamkulenu Felix Animapau ena Frank Milovan etechire ena Facebook live eye Mary ena de etum obroni ena African eso eta nachi yeguso ya yedidwumadi no bra mesumidin ABY obetumi afreme amama jeoso yeguso ewo bani ni sujumadi so wadwenche efrisa bi eko betumi ede abana ebresem ya kenkan ede amount na electoral commission peningfo enhyehyɛ ya agbaye se so hwe asɛmba Akua interparty for no ne dom ni bi se baby a wode wani arepa ye time no ebere ya yesi ye de ye new register no ena mpanimfo kire mo se da bi ebere no asa ben so dodo ena date kura no a ebo se amanyoku ahodo no ye de register no emma won se electoral commission mpanimfo wode abetu dwa case sudua se nyame ya domo a October 10th enu October 10th ne de na soft copy ye wo se wode ma political parties ni nyina no wawie bibia woni pakro se ne pen drive na ade beko wo ni ode beko so ode kwaji bia no ye de mema wo mpanimfo de bema wo o me che se niema wo so ode gu akwan mu hyehyɛ ye wo so o mu ye bia no se bibia tumi kwaso totia sa pepepe na niema ebetumi akwa animu na sa new system na mpanimfo so wode ba no new system electoral commission mpanimfo so wode ba no se wotie nkyiremu a wo mo de aba old one no a na ewo ho no mo ye o mo che se password nkita won sa asam no de no ma kan ho akyinyeji a ewo sa manyoku ahodo so ne wo mo je wo ma twe ho da wira electoral commission penifo chem se STL adwumako no a na wonum na kita password no wo mo na contract ne ye wode a che se etodo mo si e be etie ni om de paper beto anim no wasan ewo electoral commission wonum na wutie electoral commission fo nsem abusuon mo kan toda na wo so adwiriwu sempanimfo ewo electoral commission wonum no ebi tumi gitom se SCF fo adwuma no a na esese boye no wonye na emom mo de nkrata ne ba me yesan omode nkrata ne ba yesan se oma ye adwuma esese omoye training e wo so omoye no wo mo nye so omode ba ne yasan eti electoral commission fo say new person a yede contract amano ene adwuma ye esese boye no de eniema mu da honomo se emfidie no nipa wo se training won wo electoral commission adwumaifo wo se training won no eho adwuma wo beye ena sa new system we so no enya de so obeka so ye wie no ano no edu bra wo se ye jamu ani ye jamu o mo se bra no ye boniema bi o mbetumi de akeka ho enti no se ye sa new system we ya anchere ya emfie nson de ebedi anchere ya no emfie nson 7 years na no ne electoral commission for keka ho asem na ne ebisa bi ne say eti we ne ebedi sen omo ma hyase ye omo di information na ba mako eti ne ebeti bia na tiefo ye be mate yenko na IPP pani ya woda ano Kofi Akpelu enye IPP LGP pani ya woda no Kofi Akpelu ye no entwetwe nkomo. Hello.
Yes.
So me ha.
Me wa cho me party and the LGP and the IPP and LPG.
LPG.
No, Libra.
LPG.
Yes.
Kwamkuli no je na kona ono aka na de awie. Me jiri se bibia bokọ de Agya Akpelu.
Yakofo na dominion.
Yeda Yesu ase. Enwumre ye frɛ wa ne electoral commission adwuma wo ye mpempenso awodi ekura ene egusu aye ne mo etwetwe ho nkomo se wutie nta party fo ne de da so gina babi a wogina emfa ho ne nsem babi a mpanimfo aka akosie mo position ni amuso mu gina mu so ya wie ye beye no ehwa na mo da so gina
minia ba nakopon ya adoma mesio man for fidie so na menka che Ghana fo nyina titulu omanya enfie dun wotwe se epo da etoso dun wotwe no to se obi wadi 18 years bia tini abesa 18 fu no se ye be start ato today for e go see 30th of May enti obi bia benya enfie dun wotwe ekonanim no or sound mind otu aba no obia nya hoboa na onkotro ni din say 2020 abato no so onkotro wudin a na dia bemu afibi nti obia anya hoboa no onkotro ni din na abato no edina e church no start 18th April na really 30th of May nti metimi akachi obia say ye betudi fufuro to be ready.
Na chese ni electoral commission penimfo aka na wu team we.
I just say the Juma ye bedi and no say electoral commission the party do no more Ghana no. Ye nyina yeta isi na chi say omonko na omonko to di fufuro. Say some register na ho no ne papa. Go for video mo sakeka. Abokro just say yere to aba enyi so register na atete on se register do bibia na atete aye dada enye papa nti sa register na wo ne de yere to aba enyi say fofo nti ye tai isi na chidindindin se omonkoso na omonje register na fofo na parliament so mejina akonya su na ma boma bosu se yisi no edomade se de kotu mani so mu hia sika de akoye ni register no o ma twentwon mo na ase na enibani mu ya no ma pesika de ama na yisi so jiska no o so awoda eniema no enam kwa so eba nti se acha by 28 February no na ne wana be Ghana na je say omatimi ayo hoboa mutimi me achieve from 18th of April nti sanete
na anu hyiamu a mo ne electoral commission penimfo kwhye ye ne embagina tuku a electoral commission 2 ye monfa futuo mu abo ma wadwuma abo ye ntumi enkosoe no se wutie report a wunuanom ye bo nja party mu ede ba ya se mo ntumi anreche conclusion bia se bia sei ne ye na neipo no wo mo se ye kwa asantemantem ye de nkrata e koma nananom hemfo ye bo ho no mo akire bo se eniema bi koso a ye bonwoso and o ma state your reasons as to nienti abogidi say ye nya new register no a emwa but all from the wo kan the NHS say ye wie bibia ya conclude bibia
no sure ye conclude bibia ye be new register actually sa the end this way omo nama omo kwapenda omo by the mo bia ha na ho omo e san say omo no omo admission be work 3 times e wo Ghana na baako yɛfrɛ no unity walk ɛna baako so yɛfrɛ no Thanksgiving walk on say mahama ɛbɛyɛ ɔmo flag bearer no ɔmo kɔ n'aseɛ walk nante ya ɛna ɔmo lusu yɛ no so ɔmo kɔ walk bi ɔmo frɛ no unity walk ɛna saa walk wei ɔmo asase ɔmo kɔ yɛfrɛ no yɛmpene walk yi na ka ɔmo kɔ no 2020 yɛtɔ aba no wie a na ɔmo lusu a na kɔma kɔ yɛmpene walk yɛmpene because ɔmo nim sɛ yɛde old register no ɛna bɛtɔ aba na te sɛ kɔma yɛ kɔyi ɔmo afɔ bi ahwɛ mu bi ahwɛ yɛmpene ɛna nyame a ɔmpɛ bɔne wɔsi yɛsɛ san register no yɛ foforɔ nti yɛ foforɔ no yɛbɛyɛ no ɛna ɔmo ɔmo antwe no mantwe yɛmpene walk no amba anim a ɛbɛka dɛm si na sɛ ɔmo fɔ so de ba ɛna ɔmo afɔ so de aba sɛ yɛmpene nti yɛmpene walk no mo obiara ha wɔ ne ho ɔmo so nti ɛna afɛ so on set time ɔmo kɔ position no bebree na shock because ɔman you know da sɛ NDC bɛ kɔ position ɛna ɔmo kɔ position ɔmo kɔ ɛlo so no votes no ɔmo lusu no it's over 1 million votes ebi fi da ɛwɔ Ghana bakɔsɛm mu ejama bebree na high blood pressure no kɔ so
Mr. Akwalu
high blood pressure so
Mr. Akwalu Mr. Akwalu and someone interparty akanifo no ka efa timing ye de ye new register no ho senka mpanifo e was so upgrade the old machines na ne matumi koyi no wonji ni nyina wo de wo kan say na pressure na dan ne wo keka no we
emini aba set pressure de net group ha ne wo wonantia na ma pressure so aba form nemum ye kontam party meeting na wo kan no ye eminent advisory committee no share they can say if you know timetable no dey aba no correct ebeboa anti parties ay call mu nyina obia dituma perform NDC for no mesi o mo box o mo mpene na ade ba ko esia na mo wane say tama yisi Dr. Oforie je no my presentation no let them wait na bitwa mani kɔhwɛ machi ɛsɛ de protect machi pɛ and one is general politico no politico and also with them so be pass them na ko bisa general na de na bo politico sa what's up for and then me queen I deal with I say come catch that o man kan kyerɛ and also and you bisa de bia
o se wan na ka sa asɛm ne kyerɛ o
general said you get here and na woman found my information and my information. I'm a yes, Gilevi, Alfie, and information waiver. I'm so assess the line it too late. Was no. Now you see, I take go on tia walk, we better my folk I take you serious. I'm so in shape. So it's me can say be on my tie walk on Munkubi. At the almost a man can. So also no me will be actually a few so my tea, many about. Register no je advisory committee for ni na akora pele so say new register so we communicate na ba bonten na minim so ja copy a wo kan a wo say observation no share last date of it na was the party both na support you say you see new register and also actually say going forward you know ombe say you see no ene party the technical teams you know ebeshia omusha dey because new register no e be say omunyina de omu input ba technical man no comic effects boama no wo UFP no NDC ni no wa di guys no so UFP and comic graphics omu na omu technical guys ke so mo form mo ni mi na me boy yi you know na ye new register it be register na there ye pay the form there no any years fuori nkokwa fuori nyina pay say if you new register it register there beba obi anya butoyem time no there yes first December no na mo some trophy any soldier for the police for your marshal battle no so no mo get ma call register akotoma ba 1 December it's a motuma be we are na the following week the 7th no na yes we are better from the Yashi Bibia to one of my so come.
You, Miss Apalimian Fonsiana, Yana was seeing you me.
Medas Milia by Namisha, on what you for you now.
On shall so, Ebusia, and near ye 2 ye, Ora Kofi Apelu, and ye interparty for Nusa or more group, ever. And ye war another group, ye almost or modia, yes, electoral commission, war mutwaso. Sir, yes, for no almost my dear Tumno, Kofi Apelu, and a casa a day Emma war. Young Maso, na Yane Peter Boama Otukono. Deputy General Secretary ma NDC Amanyokono was I a researcher so yanko ni ene mini abema Otukono entwetwe nkomo Otukono ye na ona mhini ye Otukono jina ye ma na wa homa no abusua yebekọ na ya ni Peter Boama Otukono atwetwen enkomo no ahoma no ohwe baabi a wonam na na kyese gya wonam akire yebebọ modern sane omma yenya ne nte yese enne omukọ asante mantem de nkrata akoma nananom hemfo ye wo honom no minim se ho na omufiri bayo sesenyo se deden de se yekasa yetoa so anya de se yebetehwe ewo mu mo amoka the sound is faster no kyese machines ni ye change bibia eti yeguso ye toto eniema mame hwe se Otukono abayi a hello
yeah
se de ye Otukono boko de
Nyankopa Daroma
se doctor wo hu
doctor
se Dr. Peter Boama Otukono adisia ne ye to asoma ye ana no pay ye nyane nti yese ncha party for modern krata bi kwa asante mantem mwanya akọ ana nipa ni bi na kọ ya mo amaka mo wachi
yo miura nkan ni ala positu ni yesimu na enipua edi ya party resistance movement etu anam pushia ayemfo womu ekuwe wona aye National House of Omo Secretariat kuma se mechia opposition secretary na omo office na empenifo kudam awo mode ku nani ye ora bona awe chairman for P mu ka asana ya ga awe na founder of it Wura nana ajeni ayatule mranesha one also so MVP one the founder leader of US and a girl part cooperative Madam Diana Alosek MVP and PNC organizer not just money phone USP director of it fellow the Emmanuel Kwama so MVP na me Peter Boama and then the boss and now Johnson and Oda I director of IT in I copy more na I am no for command near a year in the Kenya yet to your book the near move the technical issues concerns near you account for technical problems, you know. There are no ye any technical solution, any recommendation, and the political issues, the raising issues, the economic issues, and we have more than and yes, I have more the technical and social implications on the society, including the distancing institution, the police service, and all those who have to election. Now, let's hear it. We move edgy to Musa the Prince. And some now, ye kind of move to you move to. Now, we move in the young electoral commission, so on. Now, Musa T. Ye can be. Now, we move. Say, you soon fidia, and you mean the training. You didn't cut out almost 100% of the show. Who's almost to suffer in the competition. it's no more common kwan say electoral commission for member then so we be electoral commission for na esa asem na kan abamu na wo mo pese electoral commission for na ono mo tie bi no mo tie asem na ye kan na wo so adu mari ni bani wo mo pese o be south premier na emu electoral commission for na o mai aye so ya ba ni abe traffic ni e di na yenyi omu na nche ibenya asumti in fact wo mu nyina esna ye wa yes asumbi eno mo pe ena ye ka kire mo che ye susu ni sent pa ye kire nkan ma wo se bi se ye no mo li san eh say ye asumbi it is ye ni ye pe asumbi ya and ye ni wo common nche nti amadumadi no e tiwa makata no enye etimo enemy no efefe na be president Kufuor kai bra ye ko ho no o si ya very very sound and logical argument, in fact powerful and logical argument. President Rollins also echoed the same thing. In fact, President Rollins is going to start to na cameras studio na media studio. Just after you come to the piano, Chief, please hold on. Let us get the camera and record all that, because I think that the issues you are raising are very serious and powerful. So let's bring the cameras and put on cameras in the UK. Really, also issues that Yakubu President Mahama and now you the petition from President Kufuor. You start strong kata a piece a request to say it will say or your man pini. It will say one on the appointment in Mercer. It will say that of when you are based on MP4 party position. It would be say one on our actually say you register. But give you back also a done for no resistance, and so equal say. It is because they are present to continue money be out here. Maybe I will be a misinformed. Maybe I will be a misleading. Now, if you only see a president, usually a misleading. And you know, the Chopin said, and then the winners are one meeting. Now, in some year, can be a conscience, I in a boom cat also. I yet it's the moon and Katra in the burial via the Tian. The next president in Benya South, the President Kufuor Kayan, so powerful and logical argument. They are convincing president.
And you know, Metuasia. Many of them are Metuasia, Mukona Nanomohono, near Nanamo can say, or Mubetun Safremu Bio, no matchon Safre electoral commission penning for near Woke and ye.
Sabe Pepe no Moka,
and no Mama Mudeti.
There be a mamma a date. But almost a cup piece, she said. Almost today a pass head. Number more than say, Yama, yes, sir. Young family register with you. Eddie Asum Gibeba never found Ember. Dana President Rollins catching Dana President Kufuor catching it. The same and I'll shy. Try you know. And Momodia Yenasum Gibas. Na the same things why when as you pass we say yepe asopa amomati because ya sem ye di na wa dem so a won ko ntokwa emfa nkawa so etino ye hwe pa ise president of the office e dey mu aye bebre na obi person shia yo na nekria di media ye di na as the resistance ne eye ya wo pa ne say Yentimi Inya Sambre Yenya with the National House of Chiefs, former president, any various institutions I assess your money in a year, yes, Yentimi Kunyano with the electoral commission.
Hey, Otukono, Nanu Shiamua Mokoye, ye money, penning for a eminent advisory committee penning for Koye. Sena electoral commission penning for one more or mo best leniche mo efa djuma wo be ye kwan wo be fa so aye and as munya opportunity to meet them.
Nekua me case su do say. the emperor may yet to abayi me as deputy president. I'm start for I. Yeah, Akua be the same young with the institutions, may former presidents, and by station, be as a papato.
And Maya ready, maybe Otukono. Maya ready, some ube share the electoral commission because me, I had the opportunity. I'm a chairperson, Mami, Ekasa, ye weekend. Now, what you or nona summer walk out, or say, or Maya open say, Maya crowd or someone won't, a bet nase, Namatwa, I did fast answer me more, they are ready. And you know, dear Nasa be almost sequin be moon to me, Koho, Wabrashua, Mukosa, IPAC meetings in Yama Woodway.
Akua, asema okay. It's so done at your mom, and the Akua demonstration. And because of a communicated committee of eminent advisors, that's why I say young community. Yet, a whole energy, a chair demonstration. You call sound community. Now you hope we are very high. Say ye kwa kutie yamoyo na ye nim say niti na ye frɛ ye no electoral commission ye kwa kutie ne omo ka kire yen na nyam ye yen no ko mu ene ne ye gen for register no ye ko ka kire electoral commission na na kwa tie ne ko so electoral commission in 2 hours and maybe more than that to a mobile year presentation to car or more issues na or movie and now almost a political party be 10 minutes. You know when you say that political party say a bear from what you mind political parties live on and off. If you offer a good area. For the first time next year, you could say electoral commission. Any already on the cash to see a year two lies. I was a sound crowphobia. I'm a permanent I need to Coconut Brew Hotel. The next papa about Patrasa. I watch your political parties are when we talk about your some represents. And the Strauss said, party be to say yes, party be to say PUP. What is that? What is our party leader? IPS. What is our party leader? Some parties in the war for me a political party. Because Jacob was also last week and the more it's because of some commodity, the electoral commission to Mr. Social the political party within 1 week. So when we now represent our party to not you can carry your master party 10 minutes, PUP 10 minutes, IPS 10 minutes, S party 10 minutes, 10 minutes, LPG 10 minutes, NMA NBC 10 minutes, NMA PNC 10 minutes, NMA EPC 10 minutes. Nokia, Sausha, I am commodity. Yama. Obi bia ho kwan se onkana se oge se ye ma obi bia ho kwan e ma omo ka omaje a se tifo ne nyina e be tia it clearly no omo dey ready say omo bi here Akua the electoral commission be ye ma ya 30 minutes we dey 45 minutes say yen so yen kai adi e fa register no one Akua I'm so sorry, Akuma put that to them because you make a savvy, you now, Sunny again.
It's not Metuasia, Metuasia, Tukono, Metuasia, 10 minutes no answer more.
10 minutes a day. In some way, I did a bad attitude.
Na young show, and you may one, or Tukono, and you may. Say yes, near more perfect electoral commission wopoteno. Catch the yanumreya. Diana more free electoral commission or Wamunya no omunya yo madwuma omoye anasesen efisase na mekache o se maame ne di nsem bi tuudwa ye maame je mensa no okasa no wo sesem wo adwen se bi ade no ye mfa se ya they are ready se omune mo betena ase ba se omunya yo madwuma omoye nyina na omuntwen mo kwesi se demonstration mo be ya wie na omumfo omadwuma nto wo so de omuntumi nye nti die pote na mpese omoye
okay enye senka minimum na me do the pa make sense how you for but minimum do into me cast
nka be kase den
make sense how you throw for how can the message me cast
o tu kono
the message in pa say
open voice ana
ta in some way me say enye say minimum pa na do the na me go ma wan ka make sense how you throw but minimum cha won timi cast enti Media to Muse, the mensa the fire. The mensa your trophy.
The trophy.
Seme Kasaba. 2nd December. And they had the only attack. You had the new register. I didn't come. You started meeting 11:30 or something. And you point 2:30. 3 hours. And you discuss it. That 3 hours, no, you move 1 hour and discuss it to pray issues. And you use 1.5 hours every year presentation. And you use 30 to 45 minutes and you discuss it. That is all we have done at time. The second discussion, electoral commission among time. Am I and then I eminent committee meeting and no na massimu hano ye my eminent that ya osha away and the jimensa catch work being so e ya sema e se ugidi e ya sema e wo se wo ka adenti e na ya dutumi be so na se be yi aduma no ntimi ya kope be butia na wo be sa timamfo na wo mu epe no wo mfi so be ya mo now we say didn't trust you. I didn't know better.
Yo, Otukono, one reporter, si Pomaye.
Oh, I'm say.
Dear Potin, I'm open.
I shall fear near my mentor. Now I say register and system now a multi problem. What would really reasons mean? The technical people will give very critical questions. Critical questions they will be answered by any system now one upgradable. The upgradable abroad the TV epidemic exchange and Emma the human being no time Emma year. One more see you. And another discussion by any said the best sound for the may a quarter of floor. And no, young parties in the cafe, and a waste of money because we make me a greedy. I think you other 2 million are popular. Near Tossum and Sunny said, Womuka says, Omoto Machine Fula, and said, Omoto de Tamine, many Tom Prince, your name, your pictures, your date of birth, your family, your bio data. Your biographic data. Now, you could tell me that you can't answer. What would you tell me that to me? Then you know, I saw a line. Now, Yakobo dumping. Me, I saw a true idea. Look at Tanya Mammy, you will show me. Yes, the what Tom machines in the book. I don't see any all the time. Now, move and back a and I said system now after the show. And you be possible now. I'm okay. You will say, facial recognition system, no. Say, what the current register now. Now, more me stop plugging a possible now. Almost say a possible. You will say, almost say, what some figure now? Now, moving the facial verification, I cannot be possible. I didn't see any move the cano, no moon for Fidium, no moon fambuso. After a good
na otukono omo nia wo kasa suggestions awodi ba nyina no man kam na nkosi so man kan kire mo se so omo kase ye kototo we ya behyem ye ni se ka no beburu se wo mo de be ye foforo kora no man kan kire mo
o man kasa da biara ni omo ka ye ni se ye omo ye upgrade na le bo ne be ye den chen so ma koto machine foforo
na enya no ana bisawi eno ana mi bisawi o
na pia sa okra na won ti ase bi anye nti ago won nti ayi sifo no so far no mo bre a mo ti ase okra na sisi a won ti
aha mi bisa wo se otukono mbisa wo se system dada no ewo ho no wo man kan kye mu se so mo kasa o mo upgrade a enne mo suggestions amode ma we ka wo bebe no be buru so be ye new one.
Let me make a
trust my
very good. System no old one there will be here will upgrade. Upgrade the same computer. Current software. How do you so? Computer no a Windows XP. Now I got Windows 10. Now they are good so. Server no a line of old version. Now I got current one. Now they are good so. Oracle 11 and the old one so no up to 19 they have a so and only the upgrade. And where you machine now football so I got to be my data center for what of biometric verification and biometric registration what of biometric verification device from what of a water management system for transmission system for and the demands are says, I am up to say in case of Pacotada. Imani above on Tiago Castle, or your trophy. In fact, for the crown or so, nice no the atusono. But overpricing, so why that's quiet or handsome agree.
Otukono, unim just ye nyabre ne ekomuma koma ko efise imani die ya wo kan no eno oma no yie ni se machines omo so omo pe no se ye ka cho se bi a se ne ye wo kan ye hia machine wei na wo connect so na akohwa a enye specifications omo de ma wo mo ebe ni se ye penise no nya ne bo ne ne okohwa ye ne pe
and then the church imani for ko internet. Why have you chosen to believe the Electoral Commission and not man?
Otukono.
How do you ever make argument to make ya? But me, I'm not gonna you know, opportunity arguments have my hand. When there's an opportunity, why, Mr. You know, yes, say, what do you 60% to go? What do you more to experience new one? But better now, me know the information I give you. Must say a credible. More must say a credible. I won't touch him. The only concern I'm always about what they can say. You pay who can credit you. And you pay who should be. We are registration in there. Who's that kind of public when you make it? It's any idea, even American car, or much new ensemble, say or more register. In fact, now you are just there 7 December and now they new voter registration because some person don't register. 7 December now you have to about now we start registration now. Over started registration and about 7 a.m. Now I could do 8 a.m. Now about 20 best afternoon. Then the prayer was. It's your one year to say that I need a credible. Resistance make character. Then of whom say you. What is better than one? You find the cannon from work to give for now. Makotona, Makichu, this problem. You send your mind 400 million Ghana feet. You and right, or mine, a wow, ye, you be save your mind 400 million Ghana feet.
Yo, Otukono no one University of Ghana for nhwehwe mu o maye ya betodwa se Ghana for nipa 64.9% say yes, new register mra.
Lepia. My school amakonya. My first degree, my master's, my PhD, na University of Ghana. School ba akupa amako Manko University of Ghana. I have my first PhD in finance. I'm here with SMG. And a Manko. Now the same time school na Manko University of Ghana said, "The boy school and you young a woman. If you have done Africa, how you now first school I did and answer in University of Ghana. May the pride of my home, then be a student of University of Ghana. May the Commonwealth for the crowd that come from Akua from here. Now, when him, sir, at church for more political science department, our move belonging to the UG. Our former right wing political party, political group. Our more research political science department. They can move good university in the market. University no as a matter.
Otuko no reason be ntia.
Officer who see madam to tell me. Vice chancellor madam for. Sido mo pa. But University of Ghana and you nyam. E perform nyina efisa lectures ya. Wo ma ti se po ya mo MPP research. No mo di about University of Ghana research. University of Ghana research.
It's who your researcher. Yeah, oh yeah, research because okay, Dr. Isaac Osumensa ye ne no fie ha nwumre. Oh yeah, research na de betudwa.
Obey ya no. Do the down and I mean may your research as a student of University of Ghana. It is my research. When I submit na university some na graduate school, your magazine or publish here. The university has accepted the research and has owned the research. Lecturer as part of what you may do as a lecturer, you should be doing publication. What's wrong, Kaka? Now, publish it is not a property of the University of Ghana. So you can't put University of Ghana as the owner of your research. It is a political science. Lecturers become home. No, we are MP before. We are right-wing thinkers. Now, we are security foundation. A right-wing ideological foundation. Conrad Adenauer Foundation, a German foundation. We are right-wing foundation. We are MP before President. Almost concern people before, support MP before, and so forth. So, almost foundation MP before lecturers way. Our more political science department. No, we are better. Nepia, and not just the University of Ghana research.
And so the research no wunni ni say research na wunni say enye accurate ana say nipa no omo ye no.
Nepia o asam no. The money about the church the woman because I was came.
Yeah, fancy ya bring into Otuko no, yeah, fancy. It is only the percent. When you talk about my thinking out there. Tell me, I know my church, you know, it's the kind. Research in the University of Ghana. Now, near to me, Dr. Bossman, why Deputy Commissioner for Electoral Commission. Now, on the head is our right with department for. Emma, no, ASIM for research, any outpoint, Emma, and the Electoral Commission. Now, your research here, my just goes to the extent the thinking say, one more nipa after Electoral Commission. I'm a CCN work because of some implementing major policy. It's in the annual research way near Franco Buano. Yeah, that's your two corner.
One, I'm a party membership introduced by our one more friendship with Dr. Bossman.
Yeah, that's it. Ebusia Peter Boama Otukono, Deputy General Secretary ma NDC Amanyoko no ene no atwetwen enkomo no. University of Ghana Legon achechefo a wonumo ewo department wonumu bi a waka wo ho abom hwehwemu a wo ye de abetudwa ono na dwenfa ho no enu wadi tudwa chese nya research no kora na all touch on. Dr. Isaac Owusu-Mensah senior lecturer University of Ghana Legon Political Science Department eno Dr. Afinshafa
committee na wa wode nkwame ni aba
dear
ayeso ada roma
afi yenhia ye
be yakasa se right
last year ni hia ye last year na no ye members of parliament dear and this year MMDCs and then now electoral commission so dear etumi aba na electoral commission dear na say entem mo born in 10 pa
ya morning temp na ye say MMDC dear no. That was from the 5th to 19th of December. No, in the process of doing it, no, and I say, asema aba amount for a Kanye. In this, I hear me say 2 questions.
Anti muye we na sa de no ahase.
Yes, hear me say 2 questions. Question back we say, electoral commission for person moye new voter register. What you say na what you say? Do you agree or not? Yes, no. Now, if you agree, why do you agree? If you don't agree, why don't you agree? Simple 2 questions. So we are researcher, if we be unintended consequences of research. Your main project now who achieve your objective. No. However, we bet in the question be about more. At the end of the day, that question will be more importance than objectives now or their we at the end of the day. No. This is how what happened. Yes, special research on the voters register. Na eka
near moye MMDCs
there no. Na church adeba kum say tama ye MMDC na ina there was a long debate as to what I say yemfa voters register no kan ho na memfa kan ho. The argument is the main objective was MMDCs. Na yempese no ebeyira intinia ehian say yemfa MMCC entudwa na after 1 week na utwetwam a ye de sa voter result just 2 questions no
and so abe entino reason na mode koye sa research we ni say dede koso ne eba ni say nipa ni bi say Ghana for dodo na ase yempe ebi so say Ghana for dodo no ase wope eti ye beji ato ye ho so ne aye research mo reason a mode ko mu no
yes say ye pese ye contribute to the debate no ekoso no na pese we contribute e dey na we contribute I say we information is based on science. Yes, bia obi wa hodina was original krum tiantian wana say made me some feelings bia it should be based on science. Into on that basis no into na yibisa Ghana for sa questions here yibisa Ghana for no into yes bia we are interested in this or we understand that we yibisa Ghana for say this question say na wadwen chiro and as question answers no mode mai
it is nka mo beba bontin bi no mabeka bi no you want to talk through your research to Ghanaian say yes we call ye ne ye huni eti ye sample size no nipa dodo sen e na mode omo yes research
nipa 27,500
27,500
the reason is the study no na efa
sample size no so
MMDC ho na person MMDC sa say cover all the 260 districts in Ghana. And each district be our 1 constituency or 2 constituency be crowd 4. It means at the end of the day no you decide say constituency by constituency we are now ya can boom now for me 1 district be a district no district no 2 or 3 constituencies no however be a 1 constituency then ya first constituency no ne the district no more resource ni it and then for 27,500 and
edi san komo no ye omu nyina no ye nipa omu age no mutumi to aba Ghana for omu fie no madu no mutumi to aba nyese ko bi san kwala
that you must be 18 years and above to participate in the research at the end of the day. And it's a what register because we are November no 18 years. It is November no 18 years from November ABC time research no yenya new register amount for enco register no so into or paper say ye be registration other limited registration open registration no nipa kro no be registration no into obi a wadi 18 years above bia no or qualify say or participate in that research na ye no
engineer questions are mo de call ye no nti obi be ka say yes and also be say no, because sometimes will be sa question no, or question I would call here will be senipa no, kwanya be free asam na will be senipa ni no, and a bemwenya answer kore was unya. Eti questions bang, and a mode call ye could be say nipa no. And she move bang, and a mode ma what's yes, yes, and I say no.
You see, because a very contending shouldn't here, question is very simple. But if people maybe to kind of go from Electoral Commission intends to compile new voters register, do you agree? Simple as that.
Electoral Commission for so obey ya battle on for otiase.
Yes or no?
Intino, otiase and waka ane, mentiase and waka debi.
And because a very important issues. No, ya normally a question is a opportunity of I don't know. But this one is very specific. What you say and I won't say. Simple as that. Yes or no. As simple as that.
So we then said the previous one say by yes independent be okra still make up their mind say be ye be koni say we dey obeka yes and I say no. Yes. So no mo say question na say mo bisa won reason be wo mo na say o dey bisa wa
questions no I make us say the study no was not about the Electoral Commission voters register. The study is not about MMDC. In view of that, won't me load questions about one subject and near part of the research now officer we know. Bisa that simple question, yes or no. Yes, we're raising the same. No, raising the same. Then we are done with
okay,
that question.
So the reasons by
the reasons can
yes. If it's an na made who say so we be sending panel say Electoral Commission so obey new voters register what you say no can yes be so kra make no ya think na ha na ya tibia ya je ho achinye by areas amokọ ye districts aworo amokọ ye obi onom kra na me kra Electoral Commission sa wo so mbe ya abato nwoma foforo ne ane. So when to me I'm a reason and just one
set on my reason at the end of the day, which is very important because what I say Ania, I said them I didn't know what pencil. What I said there be I didn't know one pencil. That answers were there. And it's important to also mention say, and I think said it's a good important to mention. You call all the villages that are selected in the process. And that's the electoral you selected in a call the village. Matisa Amanphobia, especially Peter. I can say social media more a lot of posts on social media and it just say a man for say or money a man for say or mumpe. It's important to put in perspective we are research on social media are completely different from the only panel akasa. If the social media no bet me add my phone I vote na ma call my laptop so makako vote na ma call my computer so na makako vote na ma call internet cafe be 10 ako vote or one person make me vote be 100. If you have no means of checking, but when you bow now you know better say we move some houses in between and now you need open for the Akua casa. So it is purely scientific work. And I one who's release it. I'm for commentary via because I'm my interpretation. You left it from SPSS straight away. SPSS software they analyzing data no. You left it from where and I had the two horses. You must more information say your research about MMDCs and I be a question week. So our response when I Ghana for the mind. Yes or no near and yes for reasons near no for reasons near at the end of the day. But
me sure muso I say regions send more call districts ahuru no regions region bia ne ne district amoko ye eti usha say ye ba from say yenko regions no a ansa ne yebeka ni nyina abom am ye benya 64.9 no region ben na na omo yes dawson pa
upper east
yes na yes dawson
yes followed by upper west
first upper west second na Ashanti toso miensa
region yes a minimal is a western region.
Yes,
I think they have 51%. But the point is that all the regions in Ghana went beyond 50%. All the regions. Voter region was 54%. All the regions in Ghana,
region,
yes,
54%.
Yes. As of the time now, you collect data now. You see, one thing is research. As time moves on, the data may change. If you say yes, I research from the 5th of December to the 19th of December. It is possible, say, from there, no demonstrations in Yama Akos, no, and now the same research now. If you will, yes, at that time, no, upon the demonstration in Yama Watias, and
then the explanations
about no, because we all make choices, and a choice be is depend on information you have before you can make that choice. It's information based on information now, one on a bit me make informed choice now. It is possible, say, Obi can no at that time, and then Obi can yes. Obi so okay, yes at that time, and then Obi can no. So it is possible it can change as the time goes on. But Peter can say be you may church at for say Department of Podcast and your lecturers via on your right wing. Department of Podcast you need lecturers via on your right wing. Then you lecturers are your department. It's also important say because say yeah na your political science. In the end can say you need interest in the political ideologies in Ghana. Yeah na your podcast so you're interested. Met me choose say I may support center right ideas. Obi so department will support social ideas. Near nonentias here no sanity.
So it's impossible cry say mu nyina mo be one-sided way say ye nyina ye ni hwe
yes. And secondly, this research previously Ubisa Mr. Research we nipa na say nipa be me and this particular research MMDC is the department research. It's not 2 or 3 people in a department no na ye discuss departmental meeting.
Because with my intro no cry no say me I just said to say first the no but this one there a whole department no and a research.
Yes, discussing staff meeting. Say be research on MMDC no. It's the lecturers are interested everybody who is interested to join. The lecturers no interested no they omunyina Kambomu na say okay munkoti baby amu ye bianti ye betu dwan so the entire department came on board last week a departmental meeting we discussed the research it was not nipa miensa and me no be net in chain and omu aformi clicker omo dey say this is owned by the department. Second thing em say yenya otuko no onim about the running of the university we call isa omo produce the state of the Ghanaian economic report every year. It's owned by the institute. I don't know. Yes, I don't know. At the end of the day, it's owned by the university. It is a university. You have a duty to we call 3 core mandate to teach, research, and extension service. Extension service is a macro radio station. Make us and I say, could be a program. One inviting Dr. Brabe Kasawa. Extension service are me and I say, be a it's a responsibility. I'm here and I'm here research. Second, and a teaching. Say me chira and the primary responsibility. We are lecturer e kan wadwuma say we are research at the end of the day. Now we are research now is not you don't own it. It's for the group now I are researching for at the end of the day. It's just a be obi na tiba bi na oye bibi dia support you be. We are not supporting anybody. Near Ghana for kind no and I hear to ja.
Enti yan hwe Upper West and I'll say Dudwana kan yes Upper East rather followed by Upper West. Inti Upper East for no mo kan yes no mo say omo reason they say.
Oh no me can reasons no omo my want to improve the credibility of the electoral process. 2 omo can say to delete and omo can to detect and eliminate dead persons names omo away and I also remove the names of foreigners. And other reasons enhance the credibility of the enhance the work of the EC and other reasons. But this the first 3 missed. And I want to say against major of them said it's a waste of resources. Say yesesika and idea say waste of resources.
Western region no.
But I will narrow down just to Upper East and I say just to the whole
Upper East there no share no but say cancer region ben and I don't wanna can know I will say Western it's nature say can know for do na so reason am so omo dey say a waste of
resources of a major pom can say a waste of resources omo can say omo can say omo
no
say a waste of resources
yes na say enye say what nkran hanko na what ase wo call sa nkron ketuam no amanfo te ase from research na mo ye na amanfo te ne ekoso ase electoral commission ne omo ye no nsache omo so omo de ba nyina Ghana 40 ase
Ghana 40 in fact we opportunity na say we villages now only among for discuss here managers I no pa we call be a chop bar na bia omo ka sembi na omo they were omo analyzing them na we won say nkofo no omo their sophistication politically they are sophisticated I'll put in that context because omo nim ne ekoso emaimu say be yatin cry na say be ya ka say yankwa na yetin kran ya na yakọ school nti eni say is different omo nkurase no ana say kuran kitu omo so munim ne ekoso omo mo pa a omo adwen a omo timi kire every time inti at the end of the day no this is the same way na Ghana for kai inti media mini interest bia say and say but we want to make a meaningful contribution to the debate on whether Ghana for voter register and say omo pe voter register. And
you think say sanhwehwe mu ya maye no ebetumi anya impact I was say electoral commission the new voters register beba na say omo mfama if said demonstrations yi koso we betumi ama say oh Ghana for dodo na akra ne omo kani etini ye ntwa so ebetumi aso bibisa no
oh and there means me can because the answer say ye informing public about what the Ghana for epe in the electoral commission no me maka and I'll keep saying me nyan change my say at the end of the day no say yakoto abana problem bi aba electoral commission ebe hold them accountable at the end of the day enye omo demonstrators enye civil society groups electoral commissioner constitution no edi mandate amamo say mon conduct elections in Ghana omo swear off say omo conduct election in a free and fair manner it is a bibia as omo ye bombetimi conduct elections no more important than any other thing. It is omo fee say omo here new voter register. They should go ahead. So omo fee say omo here new voters register. Now omo use old one now. What is in ehun here pan say da na yebe to aba no say obia timi to naba aba no yebe county problem bi ama. Na so omo anya ne sa na say that day no omo ka say demonstrators nti and say civil society na say omo anya omo ne ma ye na problem ba Ghana for yebe hold them accountable for their inaction.
Eti from near walking and fahuni near obi beka and fahuni dida obi beyo say electoral commission pending for dream say yeah the writing we in the bebwa me adwumana kwoswa they should do it.
They should do it, and if it will cost us 10 billion they should do it because Ghana Africa had in tokwa bebre akoso no is on elections. Ntokwa bibira akoso Ghana nyina sorry akoso Africa abibi mamu duto na ye elections inti ne ehia bia se ye de be mo no ma ye adwuma na ya to aba na ne Ghana for person or ye president no wadi president no ese omodi to kwamu na ye they should forget about the cost because at the end of the day no say ya to aba no na say amaye na say intokwa kosia the cost of intokwa no is more than your great life bakokrana is want to me quantify life is more than $1 billion if you want until Scabia electoral commission here they should just give it to them that normal conduct elections no as free and fair as possible now you make a choice na Ghana for yanko yenim
ba wunyi ni se nipa 30 something percent no from research omuso kan no omuso wasi eti o masem omoka
yes but the point is that it's very important say bet your omasem can say almost no yempe new voters register but the constitution says what the electoral commission is entrusted with the responsibility to compile names inti send your ombe compile because other say new voter register here old voter you see old one now they will still have to compile new names because the law no insists say they should compile new names every year. It have to compile new because obi o higher no November na wonya 18 years when timika say October December inti ma on December the following year ma on to aba no bi because the pan 18 years inti whatever it is now they will have to open the register again either limited registration or new voter register they will have to do it again inti sang ekrofona omuka say wo mumpe no me think say yes almost say wo mumpe but at the end of the day no the constitution haven't given any power to them and almost open new voter register no constitution has not given any power to them so the electoral commission ma omo share research so ma omo ntie ni amanfo ka omo hwe ne ya ebe bua omo obetimi conduct free and fair elections in this country and
say yes for ne door soon say no for ne door soon electoral commission also omo ye focus on adwuma omo ye ho and take a decision ebe bua the whole Ghana
at the end of the day and only here Yes or no, no, and we hear demonstration, and we know demonstration, and we hear, near here, and say, among here, near be, to a quamwa, you be here new voter. Sorry, I'm to a quamwa, you bet me at a bunny, yeah, be able to come.
When you the opportunity to listen to the yes for arguments and then no for so dear, when your opportunity at tea or more can be. Doctor,
to be honest with you, I have listened to some of them, but in all, no, me in fact, a movie, me internalize a movie. I didn't tell me internalize movie. I said yes for no more year. The day be say you pay new voter. Next electoral commission say based on more time than one, and who has a new voter, they shouldn't do it. And I know for so year the day be no can say at the end of the day, no, new no forces in my nya. I'll still hold on to the fact that electoral commission when I did a Juma show. At the same year, lecturer. Now, I'm saying, I coming Tuesday. That's a lot of students can say, and you know, me here, I Tuesday, Opa, Mama, because I have a duty to conduct the IE. Yes, some can say on a genuine reason, say, oh, sir, that day, no, a public holiday. Matthias said that day no ebia asem say yes into me na say eben dodo and I say no because I have a duty to do that into as a bopod so you have a duty ya dey share once since for a giant time every year I conduct every time we conduct election it ends well since for a giant time all the since but me nyanyi bebre have all the elections in Ghana I have voted from the referendum I dey accepted in 1992 constitution to 92 elections up to now. Every election we are Yiadom problem matter in obia so commission note all the time up to the point in this adumu so na say mo be judge anema mu in fact ebe ya rehopa okwo wi ase ba bia obia so Ghana so say Ghana for mo ya ade mo change government mo yese na ye nyina ni ade ya we are Ghanaians nti adumu so na say yes mo de to akwa mu ese mo de to akwa mu na ye conduct election no na bibia akoso kama
sani wo ka say wato aba from 92 na wodi wani so adi abato achi nye no nko wo san so yobi a wo kire amanyosem ne ekoso nei no wo hu bi da say ye ba beto aba wa fi nuemu ne yesi ye be new register and then series of demonstrations political parties bi ake enwabom ye ntiase yakwa Asante-Mantem yakwa Northern region yakwa nananom ho and then we are back to nananom ho ne ewo Kumase edi enu wan hu bi da.
This is the first time you ever conduct new voters register we aba and sa near ama we aba no mfonso no e debate to the doorsteps of electoral commission because more inter-party advisory a commission or a committee or commission whatever it is IPAC or money or modi in Kitahon all the time yebe new register biano on electoral commission parties no edi hon Kitahon e party ni na tiase e mo kropo take part in the sensitization process and so mo me o mo am focus yebe be register asem bia mai na this time no e ko ba ne sentia mobile new register no insense bebre eba na me say I put the blame on the doorstep of the electoral commission adintra time omo year register mobile upgrade new register no and I say omo new one no omo cheche mu ma parties no tiasia na that's the first question and I think say woman nyini because document HSA old register no enye good and therefore we should have a new one no wo mo de chire parties no esa wo mo de chire omo. You have to show to the party say based on A, B, C, D, and T, your problems with the old system. To say no, you be a new system because of this technical report. Report in the more steady because parties no they work on the principles of confidentiality as well. Electoral commission betting documents ya more. Parties no kwan be hu me no because mo no mo stakeholders and they hold it in confidence because for the national security purpose nti ma mo fa we nkwa monti na ka parties nyina ensua omusua na mo te na mo explanation say we nti ye nyina ye di mu nti no ye benya new register and electoral commission church almost from day one enka yen ko to baby adri nti o manya sanje chire mu no na di we abidro bi aye wo sisi
if say wo share reasons achire ise na wo kan ye tumi ba yen enke ba ntemo anke so niema no say o manya adaje a list ni nyina maako ye we ya ene ntumi nyeye e de enti na wo se ya upgrade a ne enti nyeye ni nyina aba
esenka we nyina ba long time around November ho nanka omoni parties ni nyina etiase say weekend kwa no mkakotena ba bia nanko matena no ma church to mu nyina mu because NDC any omontiase nyina nyina pega na ye It is a enka omu better as here. And more importantly, this is where the catch comes. More importantly, Tamana MPP for opposition omu requests omu pe new voter register. And electoral commission anye. And as time went on, the thing said it is first time I try yen try we will get right now. The tables have shifted. What do you expect? Into this is where the challenges started from. Into ga omo ye na san ko bia beti ase a enko fa problem bia ma
and enye say bia parties no so take entrenched position say na ye de ye ntia ase eno so ntumi mamusa if say wo kan Dr. Hwe omo nhihye ye tables omo de aba ma reasons ni ntia wo say ensachaye ba ni ntia new system no eye chen old system no 3 to 5 years warranty. That's the new system, no. It was 3 to 5 years warranty. Old system, no. Any warranty be
this is a better one.
Second point, OEM support. Old system, no support. Any support be And point 3, high system performance. That's the new system, no. And old system, no, so low system performance. 4, high memory capacity. Old one, no, low memory capacity. And over 6, new one, no, newest technology. Oko old system, no, so outmoded technology. Near ewo no. And about 7, minimize hardware flaws.
Minimized
hardware flaws. And old system, no, so ongoing hardware flaws. And last one, long life expectancy in the new system. And old one, no, end of life. Now say if say when you na wo na say me nyini senka sane wo kenke a kire omumu sei na ade ne tie sei na betumi akwa enka sane wo kenke nchini wa chiri beba.
Because we see there's information here na mini can kind of say nka initially no omo tablet ni nyina say problem ba ko e system ni na omo di wuni wa we kan no ma parties no say monko na mo ne mo technical people enko sunya na mo mra in 2 weeks time mo bana mo question bi ya de ya cheche match nka wo wanchu nka emfa meduru ba bi ya duru nei nka emfa meduru hakura all these blames no I have to be at the doorsteps of the EC. Because EC omanye womajuma from the start. Because all the time the parties have been part brief you mti ya empire ko duru ba ya we. Information good information about but too late to be honest.
There's a moya hu hwe nye.
There be some parties not taking entrenched position. Solid reasons why we should not have a new one. Solid which also church say old one here say almost some reasons no and so electoral commission if you kwatena say adwen say omde we aba nti na cover all this by which ehun hia senka yeduru ha
abusia bani ni suzumade ni Yiadom 106.3 FM ene ya ne Dr. Isaac Owusu-Mensah University of Ghana Legon Political Science Department ni nyina hwehwe mu a omaye efa se Ghana for nipa ye womwe dodo nipa ye womwe say yesi ye ko PPA duasa no se ene electoral commission for say ye hia new voters register yes or no 64.9% say yes new register no emra report no no de abetudwa en wa kire mu so if say toda na utifi a say research bi betodwa say the first question abebisa ho say no mo ye ne say kwan be no mo fa so ye o makogina ba bia bisa en wo de achim na so hwe sample size no kra the last research omo ye omo de ba ne nuru we ba bia abusuafo madwenche ba ku mienu na yemfa sedama alomo bites alomo at 20 ensapa na make am for ma wo we nyensafo ensa che say the whole Ghana obi age atum say eye bites bitter so de tete no na nka yehye no kukuom dudo na nka yehye na wo nom yaka twa duru enwono de esa yade wei alomo bitters alomo at 20 years ensa no isa say yenti they say Ghana fo nyina de atum wonso obi hwe ya akona kwotwa woni 18 years de amsoro enko ho venture kora we de 18 years alomo bitters no asom agbeve herbal center ani allergy ne nkrofo say ayasabia mu ayasabia na enie ayasabia wura ho a yade no du ho no mo ana yade no wo dwane na agbeve fever no wo ho no mo and the fever na chase ya na yi na firi wo malaria fever yi ni firi wo agbeve tonic ni bi wo no mo anoma na mfono na ehyeche agbeve tonic ne bam de tonic no etumi bua ma bosomia so ebeboa kama na agbeve fever so etu malaria fever na mona soap na mona cream enu na yi nkaboni free ni padua mu no wudi soap ni bedware na the cream na sra nkaboni bia away na esene no number ni nie 0246595256 na chese woni empanimfo atwetwe nkomo kama na bibia dedem Franco Trading Enterprise so de Papa Franco nie TV nie mobile phones nie phone accessories nie wudu hono mo a gise bo anka phone no gise se wo kana wa anya bia na chese ye free factory wo maaye Franco Trading Enterprise branches no so de say the whole Ghana baby bi wo hono mo wudu ho an waje odie na na adwempa hini wodi asempa ye otoso mienu wo se ebi waye hypocrisy nya atwem ena ebeku NDC amanyoko ne akanifo a wodi wani mu nyina asemu mpanimfo aka agbachire mu wo muso na mfa na omutu anwegu nipa dodo no ani se NDC fo se wo bonwo ne yakoso Ghana nije wo ho wo mutumituko na adwempa hene ne de ye ode bae no ena Farouk Chamaso de ye ode aba o se bi wae University of Ghana wonum report omode aba no esisu dua se Ghana fo nyina ye wadwe say electoral commission take decision ye beboa ma man na tumi akoso eti maka na se den support Michael Amofa wose mehwemo esi asante so de ye ode aba wose ase ni NDC fo ye ne kire se wade bi omode esi a obi animu na saade no ena omummu obi enhu na ese aso my confuse ayamhihie bi aba omoso ni omode esi bi omonkama Ghana fo enhu Samiria foot to for so dear was medamu a chese mehwemo Woodman odame was yama Ghana one then your tro ya no ena Edward Jima onso se medam kwadwo de ugusu no wo share saa ne wo hwe yen live wo Facebook ya sempa 94.7 FM wo hwe na adwenche no wo de bi ato ne akenkan ede amount no wa like no wa share ena foforo so de ye ode aba James Mensa was medam Chasamu so de ena wode atumu no na abusia adom online adom 106.3 FM dama meka asempa wo hu ene de asempa no ya jimiti acha adom abusia enya asempa o memenda ene ya adom 106.3 FM eti wetumi ahwe live wo ho no ma adom 106.3 FM wo hwe ye no wadwenche no de bi ato like no wa hye na se ye nyina we odo adidie na efoku ba wo se bi wa medem ena Enoch Jambi onso se mehwe mo pa Michael Duchum se uku asuboy onso ne de na dami na Charles Nyame asamanka se ne de ye ode abani o se akue enti de be penti na anti Jim Mensa why you so desperate? Any movie no Desperado was why you so desperate to say new register no what the beba. New register no was what the beba an old one no so mo ankasa maka say old one ne ye 99 sources wu reti no a ekwa animu eti ma media no wo de media mimi hu ne say chop no mpeso mo ye kwa we Charles Nyame asamankese ne de no William Bechi was mehwemo Eben Harrison so dem Kwabna Gentle de ye ode abani was bi wa good job na wahu Peter Boa mo tukọ no na ne ho yira ne saa no wahu nsem a wo kekan wo no mo ade yesi nipa dodo na say yes eno so afedi attack na ade aba asem we so ka no wayirem unko research no so kora Kwabna Gentle de no Abdulkarim political speaker na chese wanchi zongu o tie bi wa medem na ekosu ageman USA onso na wodam a osaba bi o o say enye the same o say it is not the same university that on the question will be so was in yes university kuro ya no mo year research 2016 esa him for belusu me 2016 mo research no and we see saying doctor
2016 say and I think some online private we says MPP BBC NDC 9.2 and our final results was 9.19.
Nesha say close.
But 9 dey nya 9 pepepe difference 9.9 difference 9 difference.
Nesha nke chacha so woman lotto number ni entwa Nesha say ya shiska.
Inti we were really spot on senior amount for
if say I don't know sir baby obisa say enye same university na mpani for year research 2016 say NDC for be lusu no
the same research
mo awu
you see adema kwa I see ye nuanum I can say time year research say NDC MPs no bo homo de no enye mo so gina mu e pa studio haya mikai pa say pa be na amanfo a kire mo differently
ne ba ye say by elections here be koso MPP for de no say sitting MPs no dodo na lusu e be MPP for no mikai say mo sa ka say performance wise no NDC for no ya de che MPP for
exactly Emma yes and that was the data yenya from the field. To be honest with you, data neba me kropo me mfa me nsanka because ye transmit e go so center na ba no say ye roll it na one run frequency no say the frequency no me can me Isaac kropo me voice enim. These are what the Ghanaians are saying. Till am for Ghana kan no na ye do don't can say NDC MPs no omo here dey chain MPP MPs in the Senate and NDC NGA some MPs no omo gbo homo dey prime MPs no be say this is credible research from credible institution
NDC MPs in the casa no
credible research from credible institution
my who say WhatsApp na san wo anu hu ne onka because hu ne onka na Wallace Kofi say ABY otuko na asem o kan na nke wo so twene papa wo enye nokore da se meeting na so mo 10 minutes 30 minutes na sa interparty for na NDC for wo munya ya o mo de kan o masem ti ni otuko na o kan 10 minutes no is never true. Isaac Chumesi so de wo se mehwam o Israel Tel Aviv na mehwam free ye Ghana ne politics etoda na meeting na ho yira me Freddy coded so de ni also say good job na Francis Nyako was say NDC o on de ni ode to an Thomas Doche was say BY me say Ghana ye hia new register no ye hia ba me hu ne say ye waste wo see ye hia na asade we be Peter Siedu Peter also the ade betum no ebusha egu so bani ni suzuma de ni Yiadom 106.3 FM Dr. Isaac Osumensa na ye ne no research omo ye no ye di bomu na MC so de no so eno ne ekosi ya anza Ghana for bebre se de it's a two na mokoye ye wo hu
but beyond that you see normally we are researcher your questions be bro yeah normally you Entuja. Omeka ya time I 2 years of the president to make I say information about MPs. The account
who say na me twenwa se ka sem no na asem di hye mbotom ne be ka na akire enti wan hwe ya na me chief no so ebi bebo me ma me fa homa ntum na call the next question na maybe sa no so ma me 0302216561 and 0302216562 abusia ubetumi afre na wadwenche odi aba doctor to so ma yen
ne na me pa je say researcher all questions we will be said but normally you find nyina entudwa but I have questions to track even the voting pattern in 2016 but and certain information you for the public consumption for academic work and I say research track voting pattern in 2012 but research be nyina checking about information is not for public consumption or money
nyina and ya mo de to be
yeah to be analyze you nyema bi ha ndi bibini a it me track where the region where this how they are voting apart from the national register now national election results no yes we are tracking bisa man for say what to about 2016 what to one
afi kokromoti power no ye ne wo na ye adwuma no e wo multimedia Yiadom FM say e bi say won MPP for the year e be say e wo say ye kom ne ye hwe won decisions no ma take you Ashanti region no so won ne e boboba no ma me fa pa ya na ye hwe fi say ye ka say majority leader ye adwuma ye hwe service a wa render to the party nti mu obi ane ne nko e man so mu obi ane o monko eno so monko ye ho research mra hello
APY
papa apomu
na me Yiadom pa ibunti ho de papa
yo papa to asoma yen
do na fem second mayo am katafisi ke bless mobile phone shop na ni wa second APY da me kan me bo mabaso na professor ni doctor na to me bo na baso papa he on say we no am rehwem no de ba e command dia ene ye e command dia ene enye on de we o my we team now the message San new register never a dear problem pa seba I don't tell it for the time everyone kwan I just someone you kwan I just someone chat and that because we check you take that when you are obia new way number no eh but kwan do say get the pana a woman to so that when you do am say with a new register or say can or say
yeah that's it pa ya wo dia ba hello
APY
Obama mi enti o
you in Benita was I'm one of us message and yet it if you are man to tell papa no mention any chap for me our coach income MP last report the coupon constituency and I go to go and job yourself anyway catch you to come say otunumu tentin na betentin pekra ya shede tinada 8 people wa ko chudi ni se opa they go say o mo tita for nyina obi anti na fi eduso a mo bi ankocho o mbi minia APY my example be everyone say o car asay what o car be 2012 that's o car engine na say na say me hu mo na say meet mouse ka ko to car for na ma sika eti sika na be man all ba ko to car for na say o ba ko engine and this phone you Ghana for me say voters register no ye be ye aye no tena so account
yeah that's Obama hello mini o di ni ba bia frefre
APY phone
efo mi enti o
APY intermediate 15 inter when I can say intermediate 15 and I may intermediate 10
you we intermediate say 10
and I will get 15
e ko na e ho asem beba
yo APY but the kind of amintia honorable akolekwe e wo klo ma me no bon ho modi papa mitia no and I mitia ma frida ono so adenta na APY udu ni ase traviasia ewia na opposition and no please yenye register ko wia si nyina opposition onu kwa fight say yenye new register but udu ni ase traviasia ewia si ni nyina ya trans NDC pe and no opposition onu dia ho please ye me ase register me twi wa me kiasi because uko ba bia opposition mo na fight say yes register one na researchers na mukai mi kai say na say research no move the better say NDC ya to about benya 49 point something and MPP benya 46 was say NDC fu e be po say e di pada wo show toku no di pada ni abuapa fu abuapa nko omu di powder go omu nyina 90 ba hu say research no mu ye no NDC tam no mu transfer power research bia be bia also when no mu ya MPP fu o makodi bia mi no mu ye research ba won say na de ekoti omo di de omo de sa no mo transfer no mo ye me de me kan say MPP go bia anya ready ye nyina ye campaign so bia ya bia register no mo ko register na
era say fo ofa ya wo kwashima ofa ya wo
nya ba
ofa ya mi nti o
bela se na me ntia honorable fish Yiadom ezo question mai atomi mai na me ntia no de wo bia nya ba ya doctor so mama in fact last time we were chilling I come on the clear say bra omo ye research no na Ghana for understanding e wo new register no na wo form and nay Ghana for at new register na say hu hia say ye be new register
ofa ya ne doctor kan ye na wo kan
what say
ne doctor kan ya na wo kan na foforo
doctor say e bra omo ye research no na Ghana for understanding I will new register no electoral commission church mu na wo form ana onka
there be say studio ha ne wa kan na wo kan dia doctor say in research no ubetima ye research ne
yes
ade achi a obeye enne results abenya ne chena wunya na ebetumi abase demonstrations ne niema ekoso no kura na ukoye abenya for na so say electoral commission understanding ne ma ye no fire coach no say wonu na coach ndia coach ni ye ne enko
ni aba
we are research and the result will be different. Or China, they will be different. As you understanding now, or mine, and I mean, I won't know more research, or when I was so, and yes, I had a trade. So the doctor, and I mentioned I would say, don't kind of Amaya would say, the Omoya and Omoya for assistant because Ghana say, you have a new register because demonstrations require a course. In church, not Tasum, who's a case, even electoral commission. So engaging with political parties now, in Kabaya could drink and could do because understanding a war biometric register no no. Then and Kata, what you said, every Omocran electoral commission to one crown, Omunim Wegima. If the catechnical mind for the bachelor was said, A, B, C, D, and we see a new one and who here. And yes, I don't take her. And to me, I kind of first a new register no here.
Yeah, that's it. Offer you. Ma Memfa Agbedefu and Twaso. Minia.
Edward.
Boko dear.
Boko, Mimo, happy New Year.
Me that's it. You, yeah, Joseph. Minia.
Doctor, what are you as educated person? Now, so electoral commission. And yet, about that, I'm better. So, I did the electoral commission. Wama, Ghana for free. Akua. I don't care whether they take it or not. Omuna dia, Kenya, Yapuano, Yapuato. But the basket staging of a register, a D is an affair. Then let me tell them this evening. I am going to put that the end of their democracy. I'm telling them over the map. Are they both taking me this evening? I'm telling them. If they bring understanding about registration, that's the end of their democracy. We know them, we are prepared for them. They register with advice on riches and misunderstanding. For we have to fight and believe in Ghana, but they should be very, very cool.
Say Agbedefu ena yedeno ebetrato. Doctor, sorry no. Eti no we say no. GD ebeboa anya hwe na ebeboa bibi.
Yes. Your GD say you are making contribution to discussion and a debate ekoso efa voter register no. Your GD say Ghana for no mudi nkomo no. Almost so much romadwen ama ye hu say ne sitie. Ghana no ye nwache mienu ebinum gina fa na obi anya information about the Ghana for nyina no say na ya dwen kire ye. Di we ya dia ba na think say eputi
if say we no floating voters na ka ho
obia ka ho obia onya to abakura da ka ho e na obia fi no beto abaso ka ho be me point mechanic say e ma electoral commission enyina we so nka say omo ye new voter register na omo ye new voter register me still me sister omo na omo ho a ye de adwuma na show omo nsa say omo register Ghana for na mo hwese beto aba ye mo hwe a ebe boy December 7th aga na ni bia betimi ato na ba a enkofa wantwi ma no eno na omo hwe na wo monye mo ni research achi ano mo nje mo tete ye be ya ebe bo Ghana no so of course ya koto aba no na nko ya ebe hold you accountable for that
nya Michelle papa medical dia to anim say this year kokromoti power unse 2016 ye ne mo na kokromoti power no ye de beba out say mo research ne tachiri ye so nkontabuo no say machines ne ye wo bi hyedem eti ye count ya ne ye yito wo bam na dem bom na che say ade na na ekonti afi ye ne MPP primacy ye ne ne aka nyina ye ne na eto aso ye da se anwumre ye fro so ani ehwamo ye da se Abuja University of Ghana Legon Dr. Isaac Owusumensa ehonum no free senior lecturer pa research no 2016 de no na demu no eti afi so odi bi ba say na odi bi tukotodwem na say ye de koyanim aseda ne nka na nimperimfo ebo University of Ghana Legon Political Science Department or yes I research nyina ye da mase na so awutie yen yedase wo a wo freba yedase mo amohwe live o Facebook mu nyina seda eye modia ena mi producer so listo wo kwadwofojo abedna gwasantia si edu kwam kulenu Felix Anima Pewu ena obroni Mary ena de yetu mu live o Facebook YouTube ene trader ne ne aka nyina ono ena de yetu honum se de ba bia befa bia no no ahia ye wo honum adawro maso Agbeve Herbal Center Mona Soap Mona Cream and Wadita Yechi Franco Trading Enterprise TV Papa and Wadibo Yiadom and eye alomo bites wonmu ene boye chidom emiede bremo me sorry akuma mama zimbi ene ukwada eti odra homa so ewo seba eso bia ni ne hia no amanfo bedi de anwumre amanfo beji wani akuma ene de mo bekone oda siwia na ne aka ode ato aso nyame ya dom a ochina Church of Pentecost ene Kaneshi Central osofo nimakodakwa ene Apostle Mike Chu enchia sonko ena enkomamo ko hinta so beba so obiso mi din e de akua Boakyewaa Yiadom madam ase ma moniti a munyimi phone na Jim FM